Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, my room is in a little bit of a mess. There's just things kind of going everywhere. I want to try to just go through some things, like over here. The closet area is sort of getting a little chaotic, and I just want to clean and organize my room. There's just random stuff everywhere, and I just want to get all of this looking nice and pretty. So that's what this video is, and make sure to go and subscribe right now to my channel if you enjoy these types of videos, and make sure to give it a like if you enjoy. All right, so let's get into cleaning. Okay, so now after tidying up, I have all these different things in my bin. If you have not seen my organizational hack video, you should definitely check that out. But basically, I just put all the things that I do not want to deal with at the moment in this bin, and then I will designate a time for myself to just go through everything and decide where everything goes. And I think this was really effective because instead of having to deal with everything as I was cleaning, I just threw it in here and I was able to deal with it all right now, and it was super easy to clear this all out and give everything a home. After I sorted through all those things, I am now putting them back where they belong. So after going and vacuuming the entire room, I'm now going to go through this box full of different technology things. I found my old phone box as well as my phone case, which is so old. And I'm just going through everything. I have some like Fitbit bands and a whole bunch of different things in here that I want to just organize and go through. Like I even found this string, and I found a whole bunch of different cords and like instruction manuals and even just a random picture. And I just wanted to go through all this and make sure everything has a home. So right now I'm just putting the Fitbit accessories in this little box right here. And now I'm going to start putting things in, starting with the Fitbit things. I don't really use the Fitbit anymore because it did break, but maybe I'll use it later in the future. Now I'm just going to put the other just random tech things in there. And I'm going to wrap around the cords all so they're all together, not just all over the place. So now I'm going to just go through this entire shelf and see if I can declutter anything. So I'm going to start with my books up here. Let's see what I have. I got like just a notebook. World Atlas. I don't think I need that, so that can go right there. World of Puzzles. Let's see. Oh, that can go in my somewhere else, so I'll put that in the relocate place. Old Farmer's Almanac. That can probably go down there. So now I'm going to do a little bit of reconfiguring now that I got rid of some stuff and make this work better. Look at that, it's like an art set. I have so many of these, but I never actually use them. So if you're thinking about buying an art set, don't do it. I would not recommend. I never even use those. So with that extra box, I really want to tackle my activity books, which I have in this drawer. And there's so many. So I think I want to maybe put them in there so I can actually access them, because I never really access this, and maybe I can actually start using these things. So here are all of the activity books that I have. I also have this like clipboard, and I think I just definitely want to just go through all of these and see which ones I actually want to use and which ones maybe can go. So I'm gonna have a keep and then a relocate / go pile. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Alright, so I just went through all of these. These are the ones that I'm relocating right here. And, I mean, it's not a lot, but I actually want to try and use these. So now I'm going to color code them, and then we'll put them back in the bin. This is like a fortune teller I made. You like shake it up and then you put your fingers in there and you grab a fortune. So let's see what my fortune is. You'll win a game show. I don't know if you can read that. I made this such a long time ago. And I think it's time to let it go. Anybody remember this? It was like that thing you squeeze around and all that. It's like in the slime phase. So here is what my room is currently looking like. It looks so much better than it did before. There's just not random things everywhere, and this is just from laundry, but it's super nice and I feel super great because I was able to also get rid of a whole bunch of things over here, relocate things, just toss things out that I had that I did not need at all. And I'm so glad of the end result. It's looking so great. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. I certainly enjoyed making this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.